I was baby, my father brought for me some educational toys. Look, I will show you. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This is alphabet. You can play like this. C, A, T, cat. Then you can play like this. D, O, G, dog. Like this, you can learn spelling easily. Look, these are numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can play like this. 1 and 1. 11. 1 and 2. 12. These are mathematical signs. Look, this is plus, this is minus, this is multiply, this is divide, and this is equal to.